Well, I think we're ready to start putting things back together. I've got the case here mounted on an engine stand, so it's a little bit easier to set parts in and they'll sit real nice. I've already got the needle bearing in the bottom there, and I'm going to start by throwing in the direct clutch and the ring gear and the output shaft all at once. So I'm going to mount you to my little stand and let you watch. Alright, see how it works. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead and take this, set it down in there, grab the bottom of the shaft, come through. There we go. She's in. Spins free. Alright, next up I'm going to go ahead and throw in this little thrust plate right on there, and the needle bearing, and then I've got the bearing support over here, and I can slide this bad boy in once I got her all lubed up. Yeah, a little more lube. And I can just line all the clutch plates in there. Grab the shaft here. See if I can line everything up. Make sure it's engaged in all those clutch packs down there. It almost is, I think. I'll go ahead and make sure I got it aligned here. Alright, we've got that seated in there. Now I can go ahead and install the reverse band. Once you have this, so it sits on these two metal pieces right here, like that. And there's two little metal pins, and then the apply band or apply pin comes through here and applies it, so that's right where I want it. Now I can put the planetary gear set in and the center support. Sort of tricky, but I know it can be done. If I can get my thumb out of there now. There we go. There we go. Now there's splines on there that I have to line up, so there we go, all lined up. Now I can go ahead and throw in the anti-clunk spring and the case snap ring, and then I can throw the overdrive band in. Alright, now I'm going to install the anti-clunk spring. You want the tabs facing up towards you, and there's a little hole there where this is supposed to lock into. So I'm going to go get something to push that in all the way. Alright, that's in there. Now we can go ahead and put the case snap ring in. Just gotta go over here and grab it real quick. And throw it in. Gotta have it aligned right first. There we go. And now that's in. So we can go ahead and go get the overdrive band and put that in. Alright, now I'm going to install the drive shaft, or drive shell, the forward clutch hub, and the sun gear shell all at once. It says to do the whole kit and caboodle, but I don't think I'm going to do that. Basically because it looks like a pain in the ass. So I'm going to go ahead and get this little guy started in here first. And of course I get a phone call. Alright, phone call's over. Back to work. Now the drive shell gets to sit in there. Oh, ever so carefully. Here we go. Forward hub here. Perfect. I've got all the needle bearings in there. So now I can go ahead and throw in the overdrive band. I'm going to sit on that pin right there. And then you've got to be able to basically see. Have to see the apply part of the band here through this hole. So I'm just looking to see if I can do that. And I see light right there, so we're good. So now I'm going to throw in the forward clutch, the reverse clutch, all at once, hopefully. Nah, I think that book is all screwed up backwards. I'm going to put this in and line up those splines, hopefully. Yeah, I got one. There we go, all lined up. Now I'm going to put the overdrive band in, because I'm a crazy bastard and I don't follow the book. The book wanted me to put the overdrive band in before I even had the reverse one in, so I think something's backwards there. But there we go, sitting on the anchor. And pull it over a little bit. There we go. Now I should be able to see it through that apply hole. Then I can go ahead and put that overdrive servo in and tighten it up. Alright, now I'm going to put the overdrive servo in, which is this one. And I want to get it so the pin here engages the overdrive band. So I'm going to just go ahead and move whatever I need to move. Okay, well it's engaging that band, so I can go ahead and grab the snap ring and put that in there. Push that in. That's the wrong one. Okay. There we go. See if I can get that to engage. Alright, that looks good. So now I can go ahead and finish putting that in. Alright, I got my overdrive servo all the way in. Took a little bit to push it in and put that snap ring in. Same with the reverse servo, but I got them both in. Now I think I'm going to stop here, because I have to make a tool that I can use to measure some clearances, and then come back to it. The next step will be intermediate clutches, so I'll have those soaking.